Hello and welcome back to our new show, Medical Checkup. Our guest today is Talk.
Government Spy Drone from the Government Spy Drone YouTube channel.
Yeah,
You can also call me Spy.
just call him Spy. Today we're going to be playing Inscription and talking about the bot thing of TF2. Seems like
Hell
finally,
yeah.
Val finally listened to us, right? Good thing to
Yeah.
do. Yeah. So, but people who don't know or haven't heard of TF2, TF2 is a game where you're just nine mercs, one of the like from scout, heavy, soldier,
Hero shooter.
etc. etc. It's a hero shooter, like Overwatch for you weirdos out there.
Yeah.
Shut up. I'm trying to be helpful. Anyway, the game you see on the screen right now is called Inscription. Yeah. This is not like in screen. This is literally tracking live. Oh, this is going. It's going.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Also, spy. Um, I found what you. I found your. I found you.
Nice.
I'm gonna say. So yeah. Um. Yeah.
So yeah, bot crisis finally over.
Yeah. Yeah. The
After
bot.
like 3 years, or how long was the
4 years.
bot
4 years.
crisis?
4 years. 4 years.
4 years.
Yep.
There were these there's a class in the game called the sniper which can headshot, which is an instant kill.
Not
And
really.
then
Not an instant kill. It does 150 damage on one shot, but it can
yeah,
kill
blah
almost.
blah blah.
Yeah. Yeah. But bot users like a guy called a Megatronic, Deltatronic, etc. etc.
Yeah.
Like
Bot hosters.
yeah,
They started making these robots that instantly kill people.
instantly kill people all the time. Like they aim on their head instantly. It was very annoying. It haunted us for like as long as
Yes.
right now. And
Yeah,
it
like there are community servers that are bot free,
yes
but it's the new players that don't know about the community servers and they can only play casual, which is filled with bots.
yeah, and plus whoever wants to play casual to either level up or have some fun with the friends can't do that because of these bots. So thank God somebody finally listened to us and told them or whatever.
Yeah, the one person working on TF2.
I'm not saying one person did it. I think like collective unbillions of. I think Valve got so annoyed from our end, like not shutting up. Like, fine, fine, we'll
Yeah,
do it if you shut up for 2 seconds. And then we did.
yeah,
We said let's go, and he did it. And after all that pain and suffering and everything, we actually finally, we finally can play TF2 without any bots. There have been bot sightings, but they're barely any BCO.
very rare.
Very rare.
Yes,
They're almost rare as vegan
a
necroplasm.
golden pan.
I'm not gonna lie, I almost got a golden pan one time.
Damn.
Yeah, yeah. So I was like talking to a guy, and he said like, I hate this goddamn pan. It's bringing me enough pain and stuff, yada yada. And he just gave it to me for like a few seconds, and then I just forgot about it. I'm not lying, I forgot about it, and it just disappeared one day from my inventory.
Damn.
Yeah, very annoying.
So yeah, TF2 is free from the bots.
After
And speaking of Valve TF2,
yeah,
you guys have probably not heard about it, uh, but you have, I know for a fact. Valve is making a new game, new hero shooter
I see what's
called
called.
Deadlock.
Yeah, Deadlock. It's another hero
Yeah,
shooter. Really annoying. I know.
it's more Overwatch style.
More. It's more annoying.
Yeah, I don't know. TF2's been alive, like thriving for like 16 years.
And yeah, I'm surprised TF2 doesn't aim like was giving up
Yeah,
on. Like just
it's a
solely.
shame too,
Yeah, it's a shame. But the good thing is
cause
at least the community is doing
yes,
something. At least
cause new players are still like new people are still joining TF2 to this day.
to this day, everyone's playing the game like nothing happened, and it's kind of it's still like it's beautiful that TF2 can still thrive Because
Yeah.
how a kid doesn't just give up, like if they just give up on everything and just lie down and
Yeah.
die. It's very good.
Yeah. TF2 fans are probably the most loyal gaming fans in history.
Probably. But uh, I'm still confused on why Valve just didn't like say a word about it. Like Valve
Yeah.
didn't say a single word about it. Like, I'm surprised they didn't say a word about it. Big ass update to make a big deal out of it. So like people just say,
Yeah.
oh yeah, this is a good thing. Like doing a good thing. And and I'm surprised Valve didn't just do anything. They just one day join a casual server, expecting bots, and then no bots. It's like it's
Yeah.
weird. It's like feeling. It's like you were waiting for something, but that thing just happens so suddenly. Like your friend comes over and just says hi or whatever, and just is there.
Yeah.
You didn't expect them to come over. Yeah, that.
Yeah. Valve's just a different breed, man.
It's very confusing.
They're
Like
yeah.
I think they're getting more lazy or they're losing ideas for updates, right?
Yeah. I mean,
Huh? Hey,
they haven't put out the heavy update.
heavy update. Ooh, I haven't heard that about that for years. Also, spy check this shit out. Look what I got.
Yeah. It's Autumn,
The flyer.
one of our friends.
I had the great idea to turn every friend I have into cards. So every time I die or fuck up, I at least get someone to get on the team.
Yeah.
Anyway, what? Anything to talk about us life?
I mean, I don't know. There hasn't been really any controversy surrounding TF2. At least I don't think.
Not really controversy. It's mostly just stupid things.
Yeah.
Yeah, look away if you're not into gore. I win. GG's. Takes out my fucking eye. Imagine if this loses. Oh god, I'm gonna lose this. I give up. I'm just gonna give up. Fuck.
Oh no.
Do you see how many of them? I need a new eye too. I'm deaf. I'm blind. I'm legally blind. Also, I have 3 lives, as you can see here. Stop hoping for more than
Well.
So yeah, controversy, yada yada. Everyone these days, I can't look at a YouTuber without like, oh, this guy's cool. I wonder what if there's anything about them, and then I just look away and just see, oh no, he's a racist.
Yep, they touched the kid.
I seriously can't. Like I saw a guy called Theft King or something once. Thought they were cool. Bam, checked it, found out they were a little bitch and just blamed everything on anyone. And I can't have something good, can I? Oh,
Yeah. Oh.
I got another one.
So yeah,
I'm gonna go ahead and
that's it for the bot stuff.
yeah, that's it for the boss stuff there. But anything
Yeah.
to talk about?
I mean, have you seen like the new AI videos?
Not really. Are you talking about those ones where like one character does
Yeah, like the
something?
AI vines too, and like everything. Like AI is getting crazy these days.
Very annoying.
Yes.
I can't enjoy something these days without getting annoyed by some stupid stuff. Okay, let's talk about. Actually, I have a great idea of what to talk about. Let's talk about everything like the shitty brain rot that people get these days, right? Let's talk about that.
Yeah.
So like, kids these days, like they're always watching some stupid shit like all the time. I can't look away. I feel like I can't look away from anything. I just can't look left, can't look right. I can only
Yeah.
see like stupid shit everywhere these days. Like I'm surprised
Yeah.
kids haven't started saying like stupid shit like on purpose. I'm surprised.
I mean, if you think about it, the brain rot of our days was like these MLG videos and like
Okay,
I don't even know
talk
what.
shit about the MLG videos. Those were actually good.
No, like I was about to say, like those actually had effort put into them. These one, the new generation, they it's weird, man. I don't like it.
I don't like it either. It's just uncomfortable. It's just watching this.
Yeah,
It's really uncomfortable.
like you've probably seen like the Amazing Digital Circus. It's really good. Like
It's really so bad.
Gooseworks and Glitch, they did a good job with the content farms.
Don't even talk about the content farms.
They ruin everything, man.
They always ruin everything. Like I'm not gonna lie. Last time I watched the video, all I could just see was like stupid stuff. I can't. I just can't. I just can't see something like that. It's just my head hurts
Yeah.
every time I see that shit.
Yeah, like Gooseworks, the creator, they even said they're like uncomfortable with the amount of goddamn brain rot that's being made of the stuff they make.
Yeah. Also, kind of bit boring. Is
I mean, yeah, we don't talk about that. This is family friendly.
well, I think they're kind of common. I fumbled the word there. I didn't. I
Hmm.
fumbled.
I mean, it's bound to happen. Like, there's an entire website for it.
Plus, it has like a good chunk of wording. Of course, there's gonna be something weird about it. That's, oh
Like,
god,
obviously.
obviously something is gonna happen.
So yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, these
um,
videos are weird as fuck. They're weird.
yeah.
They keep on popping
I
up.
remember, yeah, I remember one time I was going with a field trip with the school,
Yeah,
my class,
yeah, yeah.
and when we were walking back to the hotel, we just hear this little girl singing the like Skibbity Toilet song.
Really?
I am not kidding.
Oh, oh, that poor child.
Yeah,
I feel so sorry for the mother, to be honest.
yeah,
Oh
yeah.
They kept
It
her
was
singing
embarrassing.
embarrassingly. That's all I'm gonna say.
Uh-oh.
Nah, he's gonna do 8 damage. I'm screwed. But yeah, the kids these days are weird as hell. Real weird. I never, like, emojis were at least after, like, someone actually did those.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This stuff
Like the
is,
editing.
people these days just put on a costume and scream.
Yeah,
Like, they just scream and stuff and think that's enough.
yeah. It
No,
sucks, man. It sucks.
it really sucks.
Like I'm gonna be honest.
Uh,
I switched to Instagram Reels from TikTok
oh, I haven't.
because I don't know. TikTok has way too much brain
I
rot on
haven't
it.
used TikTok in years, to be honest. Any idea any ideas for a name for this guy?
I don't know.
You sure? Like it's
I
a
don't know.
heavy type who can fly and hide. See what does it make you think
Um, like a alligator.
of? I and what who shall be thee? Okay, I have an idea for a name, but what shall be the character? Like person.
Um,
Who?
I don't know. Soggy bean.
His name is too long. Let's just go with you, okay?
All right.
I can't even type. It's the scaly, the scaly.
The scaly bastard.
I'm gonna go drink some milk because my head hurts. I'll be right back. You entertain the masses. I'll be right back.
Okay. So yeah, that's it, man. Brain rot is crazy. Um, I don't know what else to say, honestly. Remember, this is just like a pilot, I think, or like episode 1, so don't expect much. We're just experimenting. But yeah, if you like it, we can make more. Cause this is pretty fun. I'm enjoying it. I like talking.
I'm back
Hello,
to entertain the masses.
of course. Oh yeah, also I forgot. Subscribe to the channel, by the way.
Oh my god, we're this late into the video and now you tell them.
I mean, if you say it in the first 3 seconds, you're just being annoying.
I know. That's why I like being annoying. Yeah, I hate my deck. I so let's talk about who shall we talk about?
I don't know. How long have we been recording?
I don't know. Let me check. It doesn't say it anywhere. Um. Well, it seems like I think we've done enough talking, so I
Yeah,
think we should just stop the recording.
that's it for this medical checkup. Thank you, doctor.
No problem. Just come back and buy some anti-schizophrenic pills. Anyway, that was our
Alright,
second episode.
goodbye.
I guess not to buy. Anyway, goodbye. See you later. This was medical checkup. Go die.